education means freedom.
My name is Sarah, I'm a first year biology student and I'm a British Egyptian. In the words of Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Hello, my name is Toby. I'm from Nigeria, originally from Nigeria. I'm doing a Masters in Aerospace Engineering. I think education is important because it gives everyone an opportunity to become someone in life.
Hi, my name is Aruj. I'm studying English literature and I'm from Manchester. I believe education is important because without education there's ignorance, and ignorance is the leading cause for conflict in the world.
Right, I'm Joe. I'm from Malaysia. I'm currently studying in mechanical engineering with nuclear engineering. I think education is very important because it shapes the future of our world.
Hi, I'm Maliha, studying optometry and I'm from Kenya. In the famous words of Malcolm X, education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today.
My name is Sam, I do aerospace engineering, I'm from Nigeria, Right to Education 2012.
Right to Education Week 2012.
Right to Education Week.
Right to Education Week 2012.
Right to Education Week 2012.
نصيبي من مآسيكم وأهديكم ضياع عيني